So, should you be using Curipod's voting system when you create activities? You have voting options in activities such as open questions and drawing. I have now made an open question. What do you know about Greek mythology? And as you see, I have allowed voting. Um, in our experience, voting is a great way of both engaging and giving the student agency. When they get to vote for the inputs from other students, they get to be a part of deciding what we're going to focus on in this lesson. So, how can you use voting? In this example, what you know about Greek mythology, I could, for example, set the voting title to something else. So, most relevant answer is one thing, but I could, for example, say most creative or something you didn't know from before. If you, for example, rather use it to ask me questions about Greek mythology, this could be a typical activity at the end of the lesson. You could, for example, ask them to vote for the questions you want me to answer. So it's both a great way for you to get analytics into what do most of my students think, but it's also a great way to give the students agency. They're a part of deciding what's happening. I'll show you how it works. I'm presenting this Curipod, and I'm joining as a student from my phone here, just to create some answers. And I'll start the activity. So, what do I already know about Greek mythology? So I can write in just some example answers. There we are, and I'm stopping this activity. And now I want to use the voting. So I'm pressing start. And as you see here at my student's device on my phone, they now get to vote. This can be done from computers or phones. And they suddenly are a part of deciding what you will be focusing on for the rest of the lesson. So it's both fun, but it also gives the students agency. So I really recommend using it.